Shalom, and welcome to Learn Hebrew Now. If you've ever tried saying the door of the car in Hebrew and ended up saying something like הדלת של המכונית, congratulations, it's correct. But it's not how Hebrew speakers usually say it. Native speakers say דלת המכונית. This special way of connecting two nouns without using של or of is called smikhut. And once you get it, your Hebrew will instantly sound smoother and more natural. So what is smikhut? The literal meaning is proximity. It's the way Hebrew links two nouns together, like a school bag or birthday. In English we say school bag. In Hebrew we say תיק בית ספר. Two nouns side by side. No של, no extra words, just a clean compact phrase. Every smikhut has two parts. The first word is called נסמך. It leans on the second. The second word is called סומך. It supports the first. The meaning is always the first noun belongs to or is related to the second noun. For example, the book of Torah is ספר התורה. The station of the bus is תחנת אוטובוס. A bag for children is תיק ילדים. Now, here is the first rule. The first word can change its form. The second word always stays exactly the same. Let's start with the masculine singular form. Masculine nouns often don't change at all. Let's see some examples. A science book is ספר מדע. ספר, a book. מדע, science. You could say ספר על מדע, which means a book about science. Or you can say ספר מדע. Another example. A travel ticket is כרטיס נסיעה. כרטיס, a ticket. נסיעה, travel. To say it the long way, you would say כרטיס לנסיעה, a ticket for travel. The president of the state is נשיא המדינה. נשיא is a president. המדינה, the state. Here the word נשיא changes a little bit from נשיא to נשיא. A work desk is שולחן עבודה. שולחן, desk. עבודה, work. A residential building is בניין, מגורים. בניין, a building. מגורים, habitation. An electric device is מכשיר חשמל. מכשיר, a device. חשמל, electricity. An invitation letter is מכתב הזמנה. מכתב, a letter. הזמנה, invitation. Another example is תפוח אדמה, which is a potato. תפוח, an apple. אדמה, earth. תפוח אדמה, apple from the earth. Now let's go over the feminine form. If you remember, we said that the first word can change sometime. When the feminine word ends with hey, it often changes to taf in smikhut. Let's see some examples. A swimming pool is בריכת שחייה. בריכה is a pool. שחייה, swimming. בריכה ends with a hey. So we change the hey to taf and say בריכת שחייה. An apple cake is עוגת תפוחים. עוגה, a cake, עוגת, a cake of, תפוחים, apples, עוגת, תפוחים. A birth certificate is תעודת לידה. תעודה, certificate, תעודת, certificate of, לידה, birth. An eye exam is בדיקת עיניים. בדיקה, an exam, בדיקת, an exam of, עיניים, eyes. בדיקת עיניים. A train station is תחנת רכבת. תחנה, a station, תחנת, a station of, רכבת, a train, תחנת רכבת. A time problem is בעיית זמן. בעיה, a problem. בעיית, a problem of, זמן, time. When the feminine word does not end with hey, it stays the same. For example, חנות, ספרים, a bookstore. חנות, a store, ספרים, books. A store of books, חנות, ספרים. Now, let's go over to the plural masculine form. Plural masculine noun usually end with im, yud, mem. For example, ספרים, books, בתים, houses, בניינים, buildings, and so on. In smikhut, that yud mem on the first noun will change from im to a. For example, ספרים, books, will change to ספרי, books of. So, children's books will be ספרי ילדים. ספרים, books, ספרי, books of, ילדים, children. Work pants are מכנסי עבודה. מכנסיים, pants, מכנסי, pants of, עבודה, work. מכנסי עבודה. Street cats are חתולי רחוב. חתולים, cats, חתולי, cats of, רחוב, street. Wall clocks are שעוני קיר. שעונים, clocks, שעוני, clocks of, קיר, wall. שעוני קיר. Work pages are דפי עבודה. דפים, pages, דפי, pages of, עבודה, work. Now let's go over the plural feminine form. This one is very easy. The first word stays the same, and we already said that the second word always stays the same. So let's see some example. Blood tests are בדיקות דם. בדיקות, tests, דם, blood. Writing notebooks are מחברות כתיבה. מחברות, notebooks, כתיבה, writing. School shirts are חולצות בית ספר. חולצות, shirts, בית ספר, school. Soccer teams are קבוצות כדורגל. קבוצות, teams, כדורגל, soccer. Night lamps are מנורות לילה. מנורות, lamps, לילה, night. Birthday cakes are עוגות, יום הולדת. עוגות, cakes, יום הולדת, birthday. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Hebrew lessons. And if you want to download the worksheet and to support the channel, join my Patreon page. You can find the link in the description below. תודה רבה. Thank you very much. And I'll see you in the next video.